Hello FYP-academy viewers. Sometimes you are installing Windows, and when you install Windows, you also make partitions right when installing your Windows setup. But after your Windows is loading and you open this PC window, you watch that your drives are not present right on your screen. Here just is drive C. So you need to select this PC right here, then right click and show more options, then manage. Here you have this management section, and for me was the same. Drives were formatted but not shown right here, so it is just easy. Right click on your drive, change drive letter and path. So click on it and click on add. You can change the name too, then click on OK. The same is about this one. Change drive letter and path, add, OK. After refresh or closing and opening, you can watch your drives present on your this PC or my computer section. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye.